Now we're back at home and we got everything. We got bacon, we got pasta, and we got boiled ramen. So first of all, we're going to start cooking the boiled ramen. So first we need to get a little pot with some water. Now since we've got our water in, we're going to turn it on and then let it boil. In the meantime, let's start preparing the bacon. So first, we need to get a pan. This got on. Okay. Nice cooking pan. And then now, this is impossible to remember. Then keep our pan and turn it on. Let that heat, and now we're gonna go get some oil and then pour in a little bit. And then you just want to make the pan get coated. And then let it heat up. Then we're going to open the bacon packet. I'm scared. They vacuum sealed it so much. Oh my god. Bacon. Now it's going to be heated. This is heating up. So now we're going to add in a strip of bacon. That feels so good. There it goes. There we go. Now, we're gonna keep the first slice of bacon. There we go. There's water in the bacon, so that's bad. It's fast. And it's so fast. And then we're gonna slightly bring this back. Cooking bacon is harder than I expected. And I cooked chicken. We're gonna wait. We're gonna grab this piece of bacon and like twist it, probably. And then get it all coated. And now we're gonna wait for a bit. Now probably we're gonna flip it. No, it's not cooked yet. I think I'm cooking it in the wrong way, but at least we get to try. Now we're just gonna wait. We keep it sitting. Here, all you have to turn it up here. Jump past that. Don't keep it on the side. Now this bacon is cooked. I think it looks good. Don't you guys think it? And now there are two bacon slices just sizzling. So you just have to leave it to my water bubbles. So now we're gonna add in our boiled stack to that. I love this because it tastes so good. Why are you quite cute about the video? Soft is the sauce. I add it. And then we're seasoning. Now we're gonna add in our noodles. Get a colander. Don't tell me why I kept some noodles from yours. As you can see, the bacon is cooking. Now we're going to take out the bacon and add in the other strips. Yeah, that looks cooked. Then take it out. This is cooked. We're going to add in the other pieces of bacon. Perfect. There. Now I'm just going to add in our mini pieces. But that was already cooked though. And we're going to turn it.
फोटो काढायचं.
Oh. Leave, it's fine, just leave. Now we're gonna add in my bulldog. It looks so good, but it will look better with the seasoning and everything. Seaweed and sesame. Now we're gonna mix it up with butter. Now we're gonna mix up our noodles with the seasonings. That looks so good. Now we're going to try some bacon. And first we have to try the noodles. It tastes so plain. Now we're gonna get some egg. That's so good. Now we're gonna try bacon. Three, 2, 1. It tastes exactly like pork. It tastes so good, bacon. So overall, I give bacon a rating a 9.5 out of 10 because it tastes really good, but it wasn't really like crunchy and crispy. So see you guys in the next video. Bye. Let me say bye. Bye.